6. Naga Padoha, myth 83, says of the serpent that he bears the middle word on his head, that he lives in the sea and that, when turning over his side, he causes earthquakes, whirlwinds, roaring thunder, and heavy rains. In myth B3, he is called the sixth of the son of Sidiak Barujar, the high god, CFN 656. There are the reading following. There we read the following. He who completes his revolution in a year, who needs a month to turn round. When he moves, the middle word is shaking, and when he turns round, it is quaking. It is he who makes the nocturnal far off thunder growl like the birds, who bears the middle word on his head, the origin of the different ingredients of remedy, of the plants, of the mixing up of herbs, to prepare some medicine. It is clear that Naga Padoha is looked upon as the god of the sea, the underworld, and the vegetation. This serpent, however, has another meaning in the Tobanese religion. He is identical with pane bolon, whom we shall discuss in the next chapter. In BC 5, we were already told that the high god changed Naga Padoha into pane bolon. But our strongest argument is the greatly similarity between the formula of prayer given us by Guru Silalahi to be addressed to pane bolon, and what has been said of Naga Padoha. For the sake of completeness, we shall give the text in question. Hujau hutongo, hupangalualui sahala ni daw pong pane bolon na gumuling sa hari sa taon, humusok sa hali 3 bulan, na magbatu kon gonggu, na magtijuhon udan, na maghosaw nangin, na maghuli-hulion batu, na magsibuk kon tano, dihabisakan ni mata ni hari, tuhasudutan ni mata ni bulan, hadabuan ni si dongdong, bukan ni abipul, si jadi olop-olop, so umorop o bunaw dohonon, dolok si pangan bolon, sa makorasi madebata mga kamuti tuan panina bolon. I invoke you, I appeal to you, sahala of Daupung, panina bolon, who completes his revolution in 1 year, who changed his dwelling place after 3 months. The thunder is his coach, the rain is his saliva, the wind his breath, the stone are his bones, the earth is his flesh. He is the place where the sun rises and goes to the place where the moon sets, and into which the Sidongdong star falls. From his originates the blazing fire, which brings great joy to men. May the glows hang low around the district of Dolok Sipangan Bolon. May debata strengthen us, and may Tuan Panina Bolon protect us. The similarity is evident, and we can therefore take for granted that Naga Padoha is Panina Bolon himself. The latter, however, is an aspect of the high god, as we will explain in the next chapter. His experience at the totality of underworld comprising the cosmic order, life and death, joy and sorrow, victory and defeat, etc., are believed to originate from him. In many Tobanese myths, in which a banyan tree or a serpent is mentioned again and again, which is said to dwell under this tree. So, e.g., in the myths recorded in God or 3402 P29 SK. The Tobanese symbol representing the cosmos also show this image of a serpent. The striking example is the tunggal panaluan. A striking example is the tunggal panaluan, which as will presently be apparent, represents the universe. We can therefore assume that the serpent, and consequently the underworld, is looked upon and actually experienced as an integral part of the above-mentioned cosmic tree.